A beast-like snarl snorts beyond the crest of a muddy ORV trail, but this is no ordinary wild animal or hog. It's the furiously quick 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX. Under the hood, a powerful supercharged 6.2-liter V8 sucks up fuel as if it were drinking from a garden hose. An 8-speed automatic transmission handles gear shifts, and the truck's 4-wheel drive system carries this enormous off-road animal in even the most treacherous places. The TRX only has two predators to look out for, the 700 horsepower Ford F-150 Raptor R and the quickest truck we've ever tested, the all-electric Rivian R1T. Unfortunately, time has run out for the mighty TRX, as Ram announced 2024 as its final year. Just like the prehistoric monster it was named after, the half-ton Ram TRX is going extinct. Production of the 702 horsepower off-road pickup truck is slated to stop at the end of 2023, and Ram is sending it into the sunset with a literal final edition. For its final model year, the 2024 Ram 1500 TRX lineup will include a final edition, which offers a selection of unique styling options. Among its 8 available paint colors are the exclusive Delmonico Red, Night Edge Blue, and Harvest Sunrise. The final edition also offers Satin Titanium beadlock-capable wheels that come with a color-matched hood badge and bedside graphic. Ram plans to sell 4,000 examples around the globe of the 24 TRX Final Edition. The company says it will still sell the regular TRX2, which started at just over $87,000 for the previous model year. Those looking to buy a Final Edition when they become available sometime in the last quarter of this year will have to shell out at least $119,620. That hefty price does include a boatload of standard features, from the 19-speaker Harman/Kardon sound system to a head-up display to myriad driver assistance features. Inside, several surfaces are dressed up with Patina contrast stitching and a TRX embroidery on the seat cushions, none of which will be found on any other TRX models. Likewise, Final Edition appears in the gauge cluster, and a badge with the specific truck's build number is hosted on the center console. Other interior touches include a dashboard badge with a satin titanium finish, special faux-suede on the door panels, and an interesting matte carbon fiber weave throughout the cabin. While we're sad to see a high-performance V8 pickup truck like the TRX leave this world, we'll never forget the first time we tested and jumped one. We're also lucky to have spent so much quality time with a TRX during our 40,000-mile long-term test. We'll also think back fondly on the time we pitted it against its archival, the Ford F-150 Raptor.